Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will take out 8 perfumes that I was perhaps wearing recently, or those fragrances that I still haven't talked about. So let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look. Today what I did was I show you. In the morning I took this perfume. It's a Middle Eastern perfume, and in this video I will be speaking about Zara perfume, Middle Eastern perfumes, and will be like one designer perfume too. This one is Nadia by Latafa, and this perfume is very clearly masculine, guys. It's masculine, and for that reason I struggled in the morning to pick it up, this perfume, but I thought, let's take this type of challenge, and I will spray this perfume together with Zara Mimosa Cloud in order for me to give this type of femininity. This perfume is feminine and flirtatious, girly perfume, and Latafa's Nacha, guys, perfume is masculine type of freshy. It's like Aqua Invictus type of situation. So for me, as a lady, I cannot wear this one only by itself because I would like to smell like a lady. So I layered them two together, and guess what, guys? What happened? I cannot pick them up at the moment, but what happened was I think I was feeling both sides, feminine and masculine perfume, but mostly I enjoyed this coconutty mimosa cloud smell. I think this one might be discontinued, guys, but if you do find it, I recommend you to pick it up because I feel some kind of maybe similarity, little bit to perhaps like a baccarat type of, but very little similar, but that type of smooth coconut type of scent, and the longevity of Zara Mimosa Cloud is perfection, guys, perfection. So if you are a guy, you can get this one. It will be simple, freshy perfume, Latafa Naja. By myself as a lady, I will not be reaching for this a lot unless I would decide to layer it. Another perfume, guys, that I have here is Fields at Nightfall by Zara. This is one of my type of good perfume, one of the type of that I would like to reach, and I really enjoy it. I wonder what I'm gonna spray right now. Maybe I should spray Fields at Nightfall, guys, because I really like it. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray it. This perfume has a nice praline, like a nice type of floral praline. Now that is very feminine, guys. It's sweet, not coconutty sweet, but in type of praline way, and I find this perfume so feminine, guys. If you do, I think they maybe changed a little bit. They do sell Fields at Nightfall. I'm not sure if it's exactly the same. Some people doesn't like this perfume, and I don't know why, but I really like this old version of Fields at Nightfall, and I respect this perfume more than some other designers' perfume, guys. Really, I think some Zara perfumes, guys, are so interesting and so worth of trying. Really, another perfume that I got right here is not a perfume, but it's like I have a body spray that came with one of the Latafa perfume. Is Lyle Maleki perfume, and this perfume, guys, let me remind myself what's going on here. This perfume, Lila, it reminded me something. Let's see. Let me see. Can I just smell it myself right now? Okay. It's for mature people, people that likes depth. It's very difficult to describe, guys. It's nowhere near to other Latafa perfumes that I have. It doesn't remind me of any of them, and it's totally perfume on its own. It has some kind of oud, this is like second time that I spray this perfume, but I have to figure it out myself. What is this like? It reminds me something from old times, guys. But let's take some time, guys. I will speak about that perfume later on because I'm not familiar yet. The other perfume that I have is Eccentric Molecules 04. I started my journey with eccentric molecules, like for an example, O1, and that perfume O1, it gave me a lot of compliments. People used to chase me because it has a great projection. Then I bought O2, which is also gave me compliments, and O3 as well. This O4, it didn't give me compliments, but I still enjoy wearing it so much. It's Javanol smell. It's a very unique type of scent that is very unusual and warm, peppery, spicy in a completely unusual way. So this perfume was interesting to me, although it didn't give me any compliments for some kind of reason, but it gave compliments to one of my another person that I know. So eccentric molecules 04 is a perfect autumn scent. Let me tell you about this experience right now, guys. This one is Ardal Saffron Tifal Hoop. It's like a rose perfume. They say it's kind of similar, good dupe to Mancera's Roses Vanille, you know, that perfume. And I wasn't sure if I like rose perfumes, and I don't have a lot of, perfumes that I have from rose. And this one is one of them. To me, it was a little bit similar to Sheikh Al Sujuk mixed with roses, like little bit say Sheikh Al Sujuk. And Sheikh Al Sujuk is not the one that I like because it has some kind of powdery scent, powderiness that I wasn't really enjoying, but this one, guys, was a little bit how to say to you, this particular one had like a little bit of like a acidic type of feeling, like a champagne pungent feeling, but sometimes that rose would come out in a nice way as well. It depends, guys, it really depends. So this one would be of those perfume that I will wear, but not necessarily that I would say that I would enjoy. I will do maybe more proper type of talk about this perfume. It was a half price for me. I paid only £8 for this perfume, and it didn't make me to like rose fragrances more, but if you are a rose person, that you like that type of scents, then you can definitely give it a go. So what else we have, guys? I also have this one is Choca Musk from Al Rehab, and this fragrance basically it's very well known from Al Rehab brand. And I discovered that by itself it's not enough for me to wear it, but I really like to layer it with something else. Like last time I layered Midnight Oud with this perfume and I got compliment. It's nice. Let me just spray it on. Maybe I should chocolate guys. And then, guys, I have another perfume. Another perfume would be from designer. And even though I said that I supposed to wear this one in autumn, but guys, I didn't wear it because I discovered that this perfume is not the one that I really like. I like the shape of it, what I will try is, guys, I will layer it with something else to see if I can get more excited about this one. But many people like this perfume, and I don't know why. It just kind of feels a bit old-fashioned to me for some kind of reason. So this one, Mugler, basically, I even forgot what's the name of this one. Is it Muse, Angel Muse? So that's the one, guys. So I will put it back. So this perfume this perfume is not too bad as far as I could see. It's one of the interesting ones, probably has some kind of interesting oud in it. So if you ever find Zara Mimosa Cloud, I would recommend you to give it a go, guys. If you ever find Latafa Naja, guys, remember this one is masculine freshy scent. It's simple, cheap, but it will not surprise anyone, I hear some people use it like when they go to the gyms, Eccentric Molecules 04 is very nice, but I still would like to recommend you perhaps 01, 02, and even 03. Actually, I would recommend you all of them. They are all kind of special and unique, guys. Eccentric Molecules and Midnight, what's that? Fields at Nightfall. I like the name of it. I like the scent of it. Although sometimes people say that there is certain type of note that are irritating, but I don't think like that. I think it's very smooth, nice type of smooth, feminine scent that is really nice. The question is, I really wonder, is this version is the same as the new version that they made, and the name is still the same, so that would be under question. What are your favorite fragrances, guys, from Zara? Mine is probably Zara Mimosa Cloud Gardenia, and this one, and Vibrant Leather. Probably Vibrant Leather for man would be one of the top that I really, really like. So those perfumes. And what are your favorite from midnight, from Latafa, let's say from Middle Eastern perfumes? For mine would be Anna Abias Rouge, and Oud Mood as well, and so many others that would be so nice, guys. So I finished my day, guys, with this perfume. It would give me a smooth feeling, and I will enjoy my end of the day. I hope you had a great fragrances day as well, and I will come back to you soon. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.